Hello and welcome to another weekend vlog. We are in Dollar Tree getting ready for an event tomorrow that I have to do some desserts for, and I'm here to get some little odds and ends to help me, well, to complete the job. So let's see, hope we find what we're looking for. Y'all want to say hey to the vlog?
Hey, what's up, love?
And it's all the way down there. She's doing her own thing.
Hi to the vlog.
My sister just... Oh.
Hi, vlog.
Your hair bow is lopsided, girl. We don't represent like that. Let's see. Let's hope everybody's doing great. My sister just laid my hair. I said laid. My sister just slayed my hair, okay? Yeah. So I need to count these.
You need to count those? How many of those?
Alright, so found what we're looking for as far as the mini bowls. And then the next thing I need to get is some parchment paper. Do they have the curling ribbon over here? It's probably in the other aisle. It's probably in the other aisle. I love Dollar Tree.
Yeah, she always like to do her videos every time.
Really? This is my first time vlogging, I think this week. Had so much going on, like busy. Do we need any of the Pine Glow?
Yes, we do.
What y'all doing?
Why are you running into me?
Say excuse me.
So
it was an accident.
You wasn't paying attention where you was going? No. Okay, I'm gonna need you to pay attention. Okay? Okay.
Oh, I need to see if they have a curling ribbon down here. I'm looking for the parchment paper. And I don't see it. Okay, please have
right
parchment paper.
Right
oh.
Here. I think they got them kind of hid in the back.
Oh, good. Oh, thank you.
How many feet?
How many feet is...
25 square feet.
Okay, one should be good.
One should be good.
So I think I still have a little bit. Parchment paper will save your life if you have to do, cake pops or anything that you're dipping in chocolate or something. Parchment paper will save your life.
Or no makeup.
All right, so we're headed to the, I think that's all I need out of here.
Okay. All right. That's it, Kel. We can turn around.
Parchment paper. Do I have any cling wrap at home?
Cling wrap?
Yeah. I probably need to get some just to make sure. Yeah, just to get one. Get some cling wrap, and then we'll be headed to my second. Well, I love Walmart, but I just don't like sometimes. First of all, I don't like how they sometimes, like, depending on what time you go, they make you they close on all the regular registers and make you ring yourself up. If I'm gonna ring myself, I come to your store and buy your products and have to ring myself up. It's gonna be two things. One, you need to put me on payroll, or two, give me a discount. Okay. All right. So yeah. So
she's gonna get neither one, y'all. She's not gonna get neither one.
No, I don't like stuff. I don't like because the more self checkouts they have, the less human beings with that they're gonna let go and lay off, and they're gonna have machines doing everything. So yeah, for that reason, sometimes I do not like going to Walmart, and now Target is doing that. So yeah. But yeah, we're headed to Walmart after this, so we'll see y'all in Walmart. Alright, you guys, so we're in Walmart now, and it is you probably can't see from that, but
it's Black Friday.
It's too many people. It's too many people.
Black Friday.
Yeah, it's the first. It's the first.
No, in March.
These people
Not
need to.
February, March.
Yeah, it's the first. People need to go home. Look, I need to go to get strawberries. They need to go home. But then I'm out here too. But I'm out here on a mission. I got stuff to get. Some people just out here just to be out here. Okay. I'm just joking, but yeah. Reason number 1,000,001 why I low-key don't like Walmart. It's because it's always crowded. But when you have to buy stuff in bulk like I do, you come to where you get the best prices. And Walmart, I gotta give it to you, you do have the best prices. So, alright, so we gotta get some strawberries.
Strawberries?
Yeah, I gotta get strawberries. So I'm gonna be posting a video early next week. I'm gonna be doing a dessert, so stay tuned for that. You're probably gonna see this vlog before you see that, so that's why I say stay tuned for it. Kelly, you want a vlog?
Hello, guys. We're at Walmart. All of us at Walmart.
Okay, see, that's why. See, that's, you hold it like that. There you go. Y'all see my African, put it on me, y'all see my African attire? And a jacket my sister gave me.
Yeah.
Can you show me? The jacket my sister gave me. And can you tell I lost a little bit of weight? So I'm gonna be documenting my weight loss journey. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well.
Guys, she looks so pretty.
Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. She's so sweet.
Hey guys, we're at Walmart and we're at Walmart and I'm just making a cake and we're going to get strawberries. Also, I love strawberries. It's my favorite.
Y'all mean we love.
I know, right?
We call them strawberries.
Strawberry, 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 strawberry.
Everybody and their mother's second cousin, uncle's wife is in this store. Can't tell from this, but oh my gosh. Oh. This area is not as congested as the area we just came out of.
Yeah.
But yeah, you get the point. Get a oh, that's the Roku TV.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Roku TV?
Roku? You sound like mama.
Roku?
Roku. Roku.
Roku?
This way.
This way.
Sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to put you on blast like that. But he said Roku. Roku. It's not that hard. R-O-K-U. Roku. Say it with me. Roku. Okay. I'm gonna stop.
I'm gonna get her for talking about you. I got him. I got it.
Hey, Mommy.
I got a mother-in-law. I got it.
Okay, where is it? Is it down here? Oh, I think it's down here. We're on the I'm probably gonna do a video of showing you guys how I make like the decorative dip chocolate pretzels. Probably gonna do that video too. So that's why I'm over here getting some chocolate for the dip pretzels, and I also got to get the wrapping bags too, the pretzel bags. Oh, right there.
Right here. Right here.
Right where it says pretzel bags. Yeah. I need 4.
That make 80.
Yeah, because I need 75. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And gotta find the chocolate, and then we'll be good to go. Let's see. What you see, Kelly? What you see?
I see this
go to the one on the Urban.
It like, oh, that's cute. That's neat.
The one on Urban Street.
And look at this poppy thing.
Oh, the trolls.
Oh.
Finally about to go. Can y'all tell where I've lost a little bit? I'm going to be documenting my weight loss. Documenting that, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, you can tell. And then my sister gave me this jacket. It's cute. What do you want? Yeah, that's fine. We have snacks.
No, not really.
No.
Not really.
You want to get some, like a little bag of chips or something?
What? I bought some chips, man.
You did?
No, I can't remember.
Because I had some hot fries in there, but I think they're probably like...
You ready to barbecue chips? Half a bag. Half a bag.
It is? Okay, well, we can eat that. You gotta ask your daddy. This little girl thinks she's supposed to get Peppa Pig fries or LOL fries every time we come to Walmart.
Okay, put that one back. Put that one back.
So let's see how much all this stuff is gonna cost. Ooh, I hope not.
No, not really. Probably about
probably like 50.
48.
Okay, I said 50. You said 48. Okay. Okay. So they have the Skinny Pop popcorn. This popcorn is so nasty. You will be skinny because you won't eat it. So y'all remember we said our total would be around $48.50. Well, we were super close, ringing in at $73.32. So how did I do as far as the time?
Time?
Yeah.
Oh, you actually did pretty good.
Did pretty good?
Yeah, you did all right.
Hey guys, I got an LOL.
Yeah, she got your LOL.
All right.
Thank you. You have a good one too. Got your LOL surprise?
I think I'm gonna get her.
Huh?
Get her.
Alright guys. We will see you all tomorrow.
Peace.
Leaving Walmart. About to get started on the desserts for tomorrow's event.
Okay.
So
You grabbing your hand.
oh, I'm sorry I didn't see you. Where's your hat?
Exactly. Why you put your hat on your head?
You need to put your hood on.
If you don't want to get cold.
Yeah. Alright, good night y'all. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night.
Peace out. Good night.
Say good night, Kelly.
Peace.
Good night.
Happy Saturday. Hope everyone is having a lovely Saturday. I'm dressed up. We are on our way to a surprise birthday party. And I currently have 100 strawberry shortcake bowls on deck and 75 chocolate dipped pretzels. So yeah. Sad news, I didn't get to record because I was on a time crunch, but I will show you guys the finishing look of the strawberry shortcake and how the pretzels and everything turned out. So I'm happy. Look at my husband.
Oh,
so
what's up?
handsome.
What's up, y'all? Yo, I'm trying to keep up with her, y'all.
So yeah, like I said, hope everyone is having a great Saturday, and see you guys in a little bit. Happy Sunday. So what's up, fam?
What's up? Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. We're just leaving church. Had a great service. And anybody who lives in Sumter, South Carolina, who happens to be watching my vlog, you can come visit us at our church at 490 East South Pike or South Pike East. Is it South Pike East? Or it's Church of Christ, 490 East South Pike Road or South Pike East. I think it's South Pike East. So 490 South Pike East, the Church of Christ. So come on out and join one of our services if you happen to be in the area, Sumter, South Carolina. So we're about to find some grub. Gonna hit up one of the restaurants over here.
Yeah.
What are you talking about back there? And throughout the vlogs, you're gonna see my hubby and I. We always we color coordinate every Sunday. So see how I got him looking? Oh, look at that car, look just like ours. Our truck. But yeah, you see how we're coordinating?
Yeah.
Guys, watch.
I have to make sure I'm on 10 when it comes to her.
Watch. Subscribe to my mommy's videos because I love her.
Oh, she's so sweet. That's my baby. So sweet. Alright, y'all. We'll see y'all a little bit later. So, real quick, I just wanted to take the opportunity. If you're watching this video and you are not yet subscribed, take a moment right now, scroll down, and you see that red button? Yeah, hit that or click it, tap it, and then hit the notification bell beside it. And that way you know each and every time we post a new video. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that right now. What are you waiting for? What you waiting for? So just wanted to take the time while we're sitting here. We got some takeout because we're so tired. It was just like we get some takeout and go home and eat. So yeah, just waiting on hubby to get the takeout. So hope everyone's doing great. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Become part of our family. What you waiting for? Hey y'all, I'm super excited. I got my Girl Scout cookies, I got my peanut butter patties and Savannah Smiles, and we got some lemonades. Yeah, I'm super happy. And I'm not eating all these cookies by myself, it's for the family. But yeah, I just had to share my excitement. Back at Walmart again. We are always in Walmart. Yep. Hello. We're back in Walmart again. I'm not gonna be in here that long, I promise.
Yeah, she ain't.
The longer you stay in here, the more money you spend. Just had to get some household essentials and we'll be out. So Kelly, what you getting from Walmart tonight?
I am getting a toy. Only one toy.
Oh, a toy? Oh, okay. I thought you said you were gonna get a broom to help me sweep.
Oh yeah, a broom and a vacuum.
A broom and a vacuum. Okay. All right. So I guess we're getting a broom and a vacuum.
Today, guys.
I think she's a YouTuber. Matter of fact, I need to let her start her own channel. This chick is hilarious, and I'm not just saying that because she's my child, but she is legit hilarious.
I always cook like my mama.
You do? You gonna be a good cooker like mommy?
Yes. I will pass it.
It's all right here.
Yep, so vacuum conked out on us and gotta get another one. See what these prices are looking like. Right, definitely vicious.
I think I'll further down probably.
Yeah, something a little more our speed. Trying to find some hangers.
Yeah,
Stop before you fall. Let's see, I like the mainstays. Let's see. The 10 pack. Okay, let's get the that right there. 2 of those. And I don't see the kid. Oh, it's the kid hangers right here. Kelly needs hangers too, so I need to get some of these. See, I love the bargain shop. These are $1 each. All right. What else did I need? A broom. Still gotta find a broom. Kelly, stop running. It's a trip. One of my favorite sections, but also complicated sections. You never know what to get. Because I'm still trying to find out what works for my hair.
Because she has the longest hair.
Oh, I'm glad you think I do. So, see, let's sneak some conditioner.
All right, how you doing, sir?
Oh, excuse me.
Good.
Trying to find a good conditioner. Kelly, why are you opening that? Strengthening hair mask. I love Cream of Nature. I have the shampoo I'm using the shampoo right now currently. I love Cream of Nature. Been using it for years. I love Carol's Daughter, the black vanilla line. I love that. I love Shea Moisture, the Manuka honey and Mafrero oil. I love that. Let me see. I'm just gonna go with the Cream of Nature tonight. Trying to see which one to get. The Cream of Nature intensive conditioning treatment or the strengthening hair mask. Oh, and they have a, let's see, moisture recovery leave-in curl milk. Okay. Instantly moisturizes with exotic shine, softens and detangles, defines curls, controls frizz. I didn't know they had that. And then, oh, they have a leave-in treat. Oh, that's new. That's why. Okay. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Okay. Let's see what else. I'm gonna try the As I Am line. I think I tried one product from them. It was something my mom had and I tried it. I'm thinking about trying their whole line. I still gotta try Mielle Organics or Mielle Organics line. And oh, I just saw this. The new moisture, the Pure Honey Moisture Whipped Twisting Cream from Cream of Nature, like the Pure Honey line. Wanted to try that. It's like, okay, man, so much good stuff, but you can't try everything at one time. So let's see. I'm just gonna go with Kentu tonight, and then I already have a leave-in conditioner, so I think we're good to go. So tomorrow I'm going to be making cornbread and chicken noodle soup. So I'm going to be recording that, and I'm probably going to do it in a vlog style instead of like my previous videos, how I record the cooking videos. Probably going to do it vlog style, or I may just incorporate it into this vlog since I have a lot of footage, so we'll see. But yeah, it's going to be chicken noodle soup, homemade, not using the starter pack, homemade chicken noodle soup. Excuse me. And you're gonna see how I'm gonna give y'all the secret to my chicken noodle soup. So stay tuned for that. Did y'all know they had honey nut frosted flakes? Those look so good. They're probably good. Love it. If anybody's had them, let me know, cause I really want to try it. But they look so good. It's a big box, the family size for $3.64, but they legit look good. So let me know if you tried them. I might have to come back and pick those up because I love frosted flakes and I love honey. So got to be a good combination. Oh, excuse me.
Sour Patch Kids.
Sour Patch Kid? What?
Nobody eat no sour.
Okay.
What is?
Those look kind of
Nasty. Real nasty.
I'm not sure about that.
Yeah.
Is this the, oh, look at that. Vanilla banana pudding cereal. The Oreo O's.
Nasty.
Now, this is, I've heard about those, but this is the first time I actually saw them in the store. Now they're doing the most with cereal now. They're doing the most. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to, well actually this is probably a continuance in the vlog. So what I'm doing, I promised you guys that I was gonna show you guys how I make my famous chicken noodle soup. So what I went ahead and did was, the chicken is seasoned. I'm going to show you what I put, but I have the chicken in here. I have the seasonings. I'm going to top it. I put a top on it and let it come to a boil for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next with the vegetables. But I'm going to show you the seasonings that I put on it. So let me turn you guys around. So the seasonings that I started out with is the 5 seasonings that I started out with. The first one is the Tony Chachere's More Spice Creole seasoning. The chicken flavored bouillon, and I love this stuff, y'all. I love this stuff. Of course, my nature season, and then some garlic salt, just a little bit, and then my secret ingredient, which is now revealed, curry powder. Curry powder in your chicken noodle soup will take it to another level, y'all. I'm telling you, if you have not tried it, these two, the curry powder and the chicken bouillon, and it's in powder form. You can either use the ones that are in cube form. They call them bouillon cubes. But this right here is easier for me because all you do is just sprinkle it out. So, but yeah, this in the chicken noodle soup is gonna make it taste so good. So those are the seasonings that I started out with. I'm gonna put some onion. I forgot to put that in some. Let's make sure I have it. Some powdered onion or onion powder, and then that's gonna be it for right now. And then I'll come back and show you guys. I'm going to chop up the carrots and the celery. So stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I have, bet you guys are wondering why I have my celery and carrots in a frying pan. So I like to give them a little bit, to caramelize them a little bit, get them a little soft before I add them to the chicken water. And so I put a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to add some flour to the celery and the carrots to act as a thickening agent when I add it to the chicken broth and chicken in its broth. Okay, so because you don't want the soup to be like too liquidy. You want it to have a little thick consistency, but not like a dumpling type, like chicken and dumpling type consistency. So I'm gonna add a little bit of flour, maybe like a couple of tablespoons, maybe 2 tablespoons, and then add that to the chicken in about 30 minutes. And over here we're getting started on our cornbread, and I have my egg noodles back here to add later on. I'm probably going to add around the same time that I add the carrots and the celery. So in this bowl I have a cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking, what was that, powder? Yeah, baking powder, a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to add, and I'm going to just stir this up together right quick. Trying to prop y'all up right, so I'm just going to mix this together. And this is how I make my homemade cornbread, so I'm not using a cast iron skillet or anything this time. This is how I make the cornbread. I know there's several ways to make it. This is just one of the ways that I choose to make it. So hope you guys can try the recipe and like it. Alright, so I'm going to add the 2 eggs. And I'm just doing this the quick and easy way, just on a time crunch today. 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add some butter. So I added the 2 eggs, the 1/4 cup of butter, and then I'm going to add a cup of milk. I like to use buttermilk, but I didn't have any, so I'm making do with what I have. And then we're just going to mix this all together. And then I have my pan here that's already been greased, so I'm just going to mix this all together. And you're going to preheat your oven. Should be on 350. If not, stop and go do that. And I also forgot to tell you guys, when I was mentioning the carrots, putting the flour in the carrot and celery mixture before I added it to the chicken broth, chicken water, you can either do it that way, or you can take some flour or cornstarch and mix it up with some water in a cup or bowl and then add it to the water directly. So yeah, you can do it that way too, but it's just easier when I'm doing something like this just to add it to the actual pan with the vegetables in it and then transfer it over. So yes, more than one way to do something. So we're going to add this to our pan. So this is going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for, I forgot how many minutes. I'll come back and tell you guys. Just wanted to show you guys, look how delicious that cornbread, OMG, look how delicious that looks. Baked to perfection, I would say. I can't wait to dive in. It looks so, so good. Turned out really good. Okay, so you see our chicken and vegetables have been boiling for a while. The cornbread, yummy. Ooh, y'all, this looks so good. But I'm going to add the egg noodles. I'm going to add about 1/2 pound, which is half of the package of the 16 ounce. So I'm going to add half of that, which is, of course, 1/2 pound. Or 8 ounces. Since it's just 3 people, I don't think we need a whole bag. And I'm going to stir this together.